Yeah? You can die 100 more times for all I care. It doesn't change a thing. As long as there's even one of you left, I'll keep following you straight through the gates of hell.
So, Lone Star, now you see that evil will always triumph, because good is dumb.
I'm tired of all this drama. Sneaking around the little sconces, convincing the twins to act out. Are you trying to make me look bad? I always knew you were rotten to the core. Bellis will probably snap you in two after I hand you over. Maybe he'll make me the new golden god.
Stop, Andreas. Rumors are growing this spring. That's why I stay cool with. Whoa! Someone call the police. There's a fashion crime in progress.
On behalf of the Galactic Rangers, I'm placing you under arrest.